Hello, Dr. Baron. This is my tutorial to how to use Quartus for first time. Yeah. Who you can see, this is my recent projects. This is a film. Um, well, the first step of all is create a new project wizard. You can create for this button, or you can find in file new project wizard. Then this tab appears. Now in this tab you don't need to do nothing, only click next. Then you need to create a carpet. Yeah, for create a carpet we need to click to create yeah, the slash, the inverted slash, and simulation questa. Okay. Yeah, these are other projects. This need to clean up. Yes. Now I can name my new project. For this, wanna be a tutorial. Tuto. Yeah. The name was Tuto, and I can. And is the same name of the project. With this, we wanna create a carpet. Yeah. Next step. This says that the carpet doesn't exist, and you said I want to create it. Yes. The project was empty project, and we can't see anything here, but you click. Yeah. Then and add files. We don't need to add files to do this. Here is the important part. The family device, we need to select the max and 10. Then here in the filter name we wanna type 10 MPT DAF 4840 C7G, I think. Yeah, this. And you need to click on the name. If you don't click on the name, the software don't think that you'd select that. Okay. And well, then you click on the name. You're gonna click on next. Okay. And you and this tutorial we wanna do with Questa and in a VHDL file. Okay. And here we can see, if we see that the location is correct, the name is correct, then the family is the family we select, and well, the Questa simulator, if the file is VHDL, these are a good start for yes. And then finish, and we need to wait to create the all stuff, no? Now we have the project created. You need to click on Control N to new, yeah, to create a new file. We wanna create a VHDL file. Then okay. In here we wanna specify what we wanna do with the F3A. For this, I wanna do, because I don't have to copy, I need to close this project. Then we're gonna open this other okay, to do it more faster now, because if I wanna type it all of the stuff, maybe this video create very long. Well, I copy this and close again. Then we wanna open Tuto again, and to find your file, you click here, file. Well, is there a C? This is important because I never do a save. We need to create it again. Okay. Be there. Create. Put the well. Here are the libraries. No, what libraries we want to use are all of IEEE. Is a logical arithmetic and sign. Yeah. For this case, we wanna do a full adder with only the 2 bits and a bit of carry. And for this, we have 2 enters, and the carry is and the carry in. And with that, we obviously we have an output in and the other carry output if we're gonna have an overload. No, this entity explain what we need, and this architecture explain what we wanna do, or what we wanna do the FPGA. No, for our output, normally output, yeah, it's only Cin XOR X XOR Y, and for C out, the carry out is X and A, or Cin and XOR Y. And with this, yeah, with the structure, then we need to compile the project. Yes, here says that again I don't save the file. When I say yes, save the file, save in the carpet that we new create, yeah, and the previously steps. And now we need to wait to compile all this stuff. And if we don't have errors, we have around 15 warnings, more or less. But if we don't have errors, we gonna go for the way. This take a time. Oh. Yeah, I have. Oh, yeah. This is important. The entity needs to have the same name. This is well to how to say so this, so I can say this error was error of mine, or I forget to change their name, but it's well to know for the others, or for me, when I wanna see of is this a problem have to you, you know how to solve it. No, it's only the entity was have another name that's done is the file, no, and the program can find that entity. For this, explain. You want to save the changes? Yes, and we only let us working. Then I can follow and explain us. Yeah, this take a time. Depends of your processor. When we are creating the um, project, the project asks us to what number of processor they can use, and who you see, we never declare a number. And the full software are taking all of my resources to work, and this is the velocity, the yeah, the faster that it can do. We can see that 0 errors and 1 warning, and then 0 errors, 14 warnings. No, this is the part that we in a good step. Yeah, I don't say. Then we need to create the test bench. Okay, we need to create a test bench. This is the program that gonna make the inputs to the to proof or VHD. Okay, now it's created. Yeah, you see the write is successful. We only need to control O to open, and in simulator in Questa we have VHD. If you don't can see it, you only need to click here and click in test bench output files. Yeah, then you click here and open. This is the file that we need, and here in the line 63 is when we're gonna start to creating the code. For this case, we only need to prove 3 ints, three impulse. Well, or do it more faster, I can Control S and do it again at the close my project and open the project that I have working. Well, release it and open the widget. Here we can see what I try to explain. No, we're gonna start to making inputs in H in and yes, and only we wanna do the all combination possibles, that is 0 0 0 0 1 0 until 1 1 1. No, and for this we need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 we can say events. That is the word that I try to say. With 8 events we can prove all of this stuff. No, I copy and close this project. Project.